Welcome to Picture Hero channel. Today we want to talk about Feng Shui tips for getting the promotion and enhance career luck. We all want to improve our career and go to next level. There are many ways Feng Shui can help. A lot of the methods are complicated and difficult to follow. So here I have a very simple, straightforward enhancement. It's more general and it's also safe to use. We're going to look at the flying star chart for the period 8. First, we want to talk about the moving water. One of the most powerful Feng Shui enhancement is using the water. The moving water can create qi flow and also accumulate the good qi in one area. If you want to enhance your career or prosperity or just general good energy, you can use the moving water cure. And the moving water can be a small fish tank, it can be a big aquarium or water fountain, maybe small tabletop fountain or big outdoor fountain, or waterfalls, can be indoor, small one or big one. It doesn't matter the shape or the design, with fish or without fish. They all have the function of generating good energy and keep the qi moving. In Feng Shui, there is a special water called the Cui Guan Shui, or the career promoting water. If you place this water in the certain location, it's supposed to promote your career and help you get the next level position. And this one is based on the period number. If you learn Feng Shui, you'll probably know we are in period 8, going to period 9. And each period has 20 years, and there are totally 9 periods. And after the 9, we go back to period 1. So now, since we are in period 8, that's from 2004 to 2023, our lucky place to set up this career promotion water is in the east. And that's where the number 6 star is located, according to the flying star chart. Each period has a base flying star chart, and during period A, the number 6 is in the east, and this is the best place to place your career promotion water. And we can look at this chart for period 8 flying star base chart, and that's the number location for each star, and you can see the 6 is on the east side. An interesting thing is that the 2019, the peak year flying star chart is exactly the same as the base chart for period 8. So that makes our life easier for this year because it's the same chart. To activate the number 6 star on the east side, we can place fish tank or moving water here, including fountains or small waterfalls. And we can use the black, blue, or white colors here because black and blue are the color of water element and white is the water of metal. And the metal generates water. So these colors are enhancing the number 6 stars energy. And the next star we can enhance is a number 4 green star. We talk about the number 4 green star a lot because it's a star of the wisdom or intelligence. It's also helpful with your relationship and popularity. So that's a great star for anyone who needs to use the brain power for designing, coming up with good ideas, or for writers or students. To enhance the number 4 Wenchang star, we can display Chinese ink brush, or in the modern days, I'm sure you can display nice stationery or fancy stationery set. And you can display Wenchang Pagoda. That's a traditional symbol for wisdom and intelligence. And you can also display lucky bamboo or other green plants because this star is the wood element. Any green plants here can enhance the energy of the number 4 green star. Another star that's closely related to career and promotion is a number 1 star, or the one white star, and it's located on the west side. The number 1 white star is related to fame and fortune, prosperity and career success. And it's also the second Wenchang star, so it's also good for intelligence and decision making. To enhance this number 1 star, you can place auspicious animals such as the Pixiu and Qilin. Qilin and Pixiu are especially good for career advancement and protect you from any negative people or gossip. Or you can also display Wenchang Pagoda or Chinese brush, just like the number 4 star enhancement. And this is also a great place to set up your office or workstation. For all these 3 areas, east, west, north, these 3 areas are perfect location for your office or workstation. And by staying in this area and these directions, you can activate the energy for the career enhancement. And if you cannot set up your office here, you can also arrange your seat so you can face these 3 directions. If you have meetings or you have to see your clients in a restaurant or other locations, if you can find a seat that's facing these directions, and you should have your back to a solid wall or some tall furniture for support, and you can see the door entrance and traffic in front of you. So that's the power seating in Feng Shui. If you cannot select your office location or the location of your desk, at least you can use these 3 directions to arrange your desk. On the east, west, and north side of your desk, you can display those lucky items accordingly to enhance your career luck. So that's the 3 power locations for career enhancement and getting that promotion. I hope you enjoyed today's video and find it useful. Thank you for watching and talk to you next week.